Nah, it's got to be tea break time, isn't it? Oh, there she goes. Here he goes. Oh yeah, bringing it down. Puts it at your feet. Ish. When she lets go. Comes there, isn't it, somewhere. Then you've got to throw it all the way up there again. The other one gets it. Who's making that noise? Oh God, they're fast, aren't they? That one fell over.
I don't suppose you got that, did you?
Maybe.
You done?
Mm. Oh, she's going to bring it to us. Is she? Oh, no, she dropped it.
Well, that's because you've got to pick it up now and throw it for him.
Oh, it's a him. It's a him.
Oh, no, that's like him.
You what?
Look.
Mm. And he brings it to you. Amazing.
Thank you, Fig.
Well, the other one wants, oh, three of them want it now.
Fetch it, Fig. Where is it, darling?
Where is it, darling?
Figgy, where is it? Oh, there's in
Oh, it's
it
got
now.
it in his mouth.
Thank you, Fig. Give me it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Fig food. Darling.
Okay, tea break time. Tea break time. That's enough. All going mad now, aren't they? Got 4 of them going. Oh my God! Oh, God! Let's try and concentrate, shall we? Okay. Oh, that'd do for today, wouldn't it, girls and boys?